Hello Shiva, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shiva. Hi Shiva, I hope you are doing well. So, Shiva, we are here to discuss about the course DA, Data Analytics, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me what have you done in your studies?
Sir, I have done BCA. Now I am doing MC.
Okay, you have done your BC and now you are doing your MC, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So Shiva, in our course we will start from the very beginning, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Firstly, let me explain you about your course. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Siva. So we have a course here, BA, called Business Analytics. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and in Business Analytics, it is also called BI, Business Intelligence. In our Business Analytics course, we studied about Power BI and about Excel and of course SQL. In our Business Analytics course, what we do, we have some data, we have some data set. For example, let's say we have 1 month data of a e-commerce company. Okay, and with that data we will create a report about that what we have done and what we get in that month, that how was the sale, what was the sale, in which area, at what product. Okay, this kind of things, and these kind of things called the business insights. Okay, it's called the business insights. To get that business insights, we need to perform some action on that data. Some action like, we will start from the data cleaning process. In the data cleaning process, the data we have, with the data we have some missing values there, some missing rows, some missing columns. Okay, let me show you a data here, that our data here, financial sample. Okay, this is the data. You can see, what about that data? The data has a column called new segment here. This is the new segment here. Okay, country, product, discount band. So in that column we have some name like government, mid market, channel partners, enterprises, small businesses. Okay, but in that column, if we will check, we will find some, we have some missing value there. Okay, we have some missing value there. So what will happen? If we will generate a report on this, or we will do some column transformation process on that data, we will fail to perform. Why? Let me show you an example. Let's see. Suppose we need to multiply that two columns, unit sold and manufacturing. Okay, suppose we need to calculate that what is the total cost of manufacturing price. So we have some unit point here and the manufacturing price here. So what I want to multiply both columns with each other to find the net amount of manufacturing. Okay, so if I will multiply that, so you can see, I will find, I will got 345 into 5. Okay, I will got 788 into 10. Okay, that would be 7880. But if I have a missing value here, okay, and multiply by 120, what will I get? I will get an error. So to avoid this error, I need to clean that data. Okay, by removing these null values or by filling these null values with some algorithm or some kind of things, I will teach you that. Okay, so we will apply some data cleaning process here. After that, we will apply some data transformation process. In the data transformation process, what will I do? Just look at that. Okay, this data is a number. Okay, this data is a number, but this, you can see this data has a symbol like this. Okay, or it has some commas here, and I can see the type of the data is custom here. Okay, so I need to convert that data into the number first. That is called the column transformation process. Or let's see that we have some country name here. Okay, so I know that if I have only CANGR only three letter there, then I can understand what is the name of the country, right? So to convert all the column into three alphabets, this thing is called column transformation. Okay, to make that data easy. And third thing is the column transformation. The column transformation is, I already told you that if I want to multiply both column, I will generate a new column called a net manufacturing price. So this is called the column transformation. Have you got it, Shiva? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me tell you one thing more. The data cleaning process, the data transformation process, and the column transformation process, I can apply these process by using Power BI tool and the Excel. But sometimes I got data very complicated and I'm unable to clean that data or transform that data by using Power BI and Excel. So I need to move in the course D called data analytics. In this data analytics course, I will learn all these tools, Power BI, Excel and SQL, but plus I will learn Python libraries. By using these Python libraries, you can easily apply data cleaning and data transformation process on your data set. And this would be very easy to solve the problem of the cleaning and transformation process. Okay, but to learn the Python libraries, you need to learn Python first. What is this? This is a programming language. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So you are in the course data analytics. In the data analytics, you will learn about the Python libraries, about the Power BI, Excel, SQL, and Power BI, SQL. Okay, these five topics. So Shiva, we are here. We will start from the very beginning. As you tell me that you have done your BCA, right, and you are doing MCA right now. So I know that you know about the computer, that what is computer, but still, I want to know that if I will ask that what is computer, what will you reply?
Sir, computer is an electronic device.
Uh, okay, okay. So let me write. You are saying that a computer is an electronic device. Okay, electronic machine or device. Okay. So Shiva, can you explain that? What does it mean? Electronic. The word electronic. What does it mean?
Sir, electronic means work on electricity.
Okay. So you are saying the machine is electronic. That means this machine will work on electricity, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shiva, let me explain you something that you are talking about the electricity. Okay, let me explain you
Yes.
something about the electricity. Suppose we have a machine, fan. Okay, do you know about the fan? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So what is fan? A fan is a electric machine. Is an electric machine. Okay. So here we got a new word electric. And about the computer, you were saying the electronic. But both devices, fan and computer, work on electricity, right?
Yes, sir.
But what is the difference between them? A machine is electric and that machine is an electronic. What is the difference? The fact is, we have two type of electricity. the AC and
DC.
DC. AC means the alternative current. Okay, the alternative current. How does electronic alternative current flow? Let me show you that. Alternative current. So you can see this is the alternative current. Okay, what does it mean? It means that if the electricity will flow on this line, so the electricity will go from 0 to plus point. You can see that here is a 0, that means here is a plus, positive values plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, right? Another downside, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. So here, from here you are going to the plus point and to the next last negative point, again at the plus point and again to the next minus point, and then plus minus plus minus plus minus. It is the alternative current, right?
Yes, sir.
So here if I am saying that you are getting the electricity of 250 voltage, then it will in both plus and minus. In a second it will go for the 50 times to the plus and the minus, right? But in DC, in direct current, you can see the flow of the current. It is continuously going on the positive side, right? You can see that linear way. And it is not coming down to the negative side, right? So what is the difference between them? Alternative current will go from positive to negative and negative to positive. And in the direct current, we will go only in the positive or only in the negative, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So there are two type of machine, Shiva. The first one is electric machine, and this machine works on AC, alternative current. And the second is electronic machine, which works on DC, that means direct current. That mean if you are saying that computer is an electronic machine, that mean you are saying a computer is a machine which works on DC, on direct current. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
But I was not asking about that on what electricity type computer works. Okay, I was asking that what is computer. So if you are saying that computer is a machine which works on DC, it is not enough, right?
Yes,
In the
sir.
definition, I can remove that word and I can type AC here. Yes, AC is an electronic machine. Okay, so your air conditioner is also an electronic machine. But here we are talking about the computer, right?
Yes, sir.
So let me explain this, expand this. Okay, I'm adding some point here, like which takes input and gives desired output. Okay, so what am I saying? A computer tonic machine, okay, which takes input and gives desired output. Okay, first you decide that what you want, and then you will give some input to the computer and you will get the output. But I can again write here AC. AC is electronic machine, yes, which takes input. Yes, we will on it and set the points and gives desired output. Yes, it will make cool. Okay, so here I can write AC again here. So we can say this information is not enough again. What am I doing? I am going to add some points again. And Shiva, just concentrate here. I am going to tell you about two words, and these words are the definition of the computer and perform arithmetic and logical operations. Okay, these two operations performed by the computer, and only these operation can a computer perform. What am I saying? Only these two operation a computer can perform. That mean If you are playing a game on a computer system, there will be some numbers which are doing arithmetic operation or the logical operation. Arithmetic operation, that means we are going to just add, subtract, multiply, divide, or mod some numbers. Or if you are talking about the logical operation, that means, have you heard about the AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So if you are playing a game on a computer, that means behind the game, some numbers are performing arithmetic operation, like they are adding to each other, they are subtracting from each other, right? Or they are performing some operation like AND gate, OR gate, or NOT gate. These are some logical operations. Only these operations can a computer perform. In your BCA, you have learned about the C language, right?
Yes, sir.
In the C language, you make some programming question like write a program to find the even number, write a program to check the prime number, okay?
Yes,
Some
sir.
kind of these question. And you will think that by making these program, how can I make a software? So you can make a software by doing that things. Why? Because a computer can perform only the arithmetic and the logical operation only, na. I will also teach you about this programming language Python by applying some these kind of concept. I already told you that how to check a number is even or not, how to check a number is a prime or not. Okay, so that we can learn that how arithmetic and logical operation will work. Fine.
Yes, sir.
So here, what am I saying? If you want to do, if you want do that, a computer will work for you, so you need to learn a programming language, a computer programming language. Let me explain something about that programming language, okay? I will start from the very beginning, okay?
Yes, sir.
Here, there are two types of programming language, okay? First one is the low level programming language. In the low level language, we will discuss about the first generation programming language, and it is called the machine level or the binary language. Shiva, have ever heard that computer works on 0 and 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the first stage. This is the first generation of the computer programming language, the machine level and the binary language. That means 0 and 1. That means a computer works on 0 and 1. Behind a computer program, we will write some 0 and 1 here like this. Okay. The 0 1 machine language, the binary language, the machine language is like a native language of the computer. So computer can understand very fast. You will see the fast execution if you are writing some code in the 0 and 1. But this language is harder to understand for the human. Okay, it is very fast. It has a fast execution, but it is very hard to understand for the human, right? So what we did, we will go for the second generation language, and here for the 0 1, we make some codes, we make some commands like cd, md, dir, tree, etc. And this kind of word called mnemonics. Okay, but we are creating continuously this kind of words like disk part, list disk. Okay, so we have many and many mnemonics there. So we will give a name to that commands, and this is called the assembly language. Okay, how assembly language work? In assembly language, we will put a command like cd, md, dir, and behind a command we have some 0 1 codes which is understandable by the computer, right?
Yes.
How assembly language work? Let me show you that. Just focus here. Here I want to make a folder here. How will I make? I will right click on my computer, just click on the new button and select the folder option. Here we have the folder. Here I can write the name, like I write your name Shiva here. Okay, so I have the folder here. But it is very easy to make a folder here, but what kind of execution behind it was running? Let me show you. We will right click here, select the open in terminal button, and for this I will write here MD, MD space India. And when I will hit the enter button, you can see here a folder create India. That means when I create this folder Shiva, some kind of this code execute behind it. Like let me again type this MD space world. I will hit the enter button and here you can see I have the folder world here. Here we can see a path. This is saying that we have the C drive, we have a folder user here, we have the folder Seni here, we have a folder OneDrive here, and in the OneDrive folder we have a desktop here, and we are here in the desktop folder. That means there. If I want to go in the Shiva folder, how will I go? I will type cd here and the name of the folder and hit the enter button. I can see I am in the Shiva folder. That means here. And if I will apply some command like md space hello, that means a folder is created by name hello, but in the folder Shiva. Let me open this folder. You can see we have a folder here hello. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
So this is called the assembly language. But as I told you, computer know only at 0 and 1. It works on the 0 and 1. That means computer cannot understand the assembly language. So to make understandable for the computer, we create a translator. Translator named assembler. What will this assembler do? This assembler will convert your assembly language to the binary language. Okay,
Yes, sir.
but you can see by using a cd command, by using a md command, I can create a folder here. By using a cd command, I can go in a folder. Okay, but I cannot create any software. I cannot do any new something here by using these command, because these command has some fixed task behind it. But I need to do some other operation. I need to build some new application. So I left second generation language, assembly language, and I will go to the second part, HLL. That means high level language. And this high level language called the programming language. In the third generation, we are here. In the third generation, we create some C, COBOL, Fortran, Basic, Lisp, etc. These languages are called the third generation language. Okay. These third generation languages are called the programming languages, and these languages are very near to English language. By using some mathematical operation and English words, we can create amazing softwares and games. And we can also perform some operation on data as we want. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But there are some problems with this language. These language are not so secure, and this language has not have not the OOP functionality. This third generation language called POP. A POP means procedure oriented programming. But the fourth generation language called the OOP, that means the object oriented programming. Here we add some OOP concept to the C language and generate a C++ language here, and Java, Python, .NET, etc. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so congratulations, we are in the fourth generation and we will learn about the Python. Okay, and the Python is a very secure language and this language is very near to the English language, so it is very easy to learn Python. By using some English words and by using some mathematical operation, you can create softwares and applications, and you can do your operations on the data as you want, right?
Yes, sir.
You can use any language here with the data to complete your data analytics course. You can use any language here, but every language has, yeah, we can say that every language has a field that it is a hero in its field, right? Like if we want to do some competitive programming, or if we want to perform some real-time operations, okay, or we can say that if we want to create the brain of a computer system or the brain of a machine, so we will use C++ here. As we are working in the Windows, the main component of the Windows are designed in the C and the C++, okay. Or if you want to uh, uh, create a website, a web application, so Java is a very good option. Okay, if you want to move in a framework for the Windows, or if you want to go with with a game, okay, so you can use C sharp. The combination of the C sharp and the Unity 3D is very good. But if you want to go with the data, if you want to work with the data, okay, if you want to perform some operation on the data, then the Python is very good. It's best in its area, so you should go with the Python. You can also do you can also generate web applications, you can also create games, है ना, but with the Python. But it is also good in the data, because a Python has some Python libraries. I already told you that Python libraries which is best for data operations. Like we will learn about the pandas, like we will learn about the matplot, like Seaborn, okay, like NumPy, SciPy. These are some libraries which is created for the data. So after the fourth generation, if we will go to the fifth generation, we will get the AI. I know you know very well about the AI, right?
Yes, sir.
Artificial intelligence. So we will also learn about some AI tools which will make our task easier and faster. Okay, by using AI tools, we will make our work faster. So, Shiva, have you got something?
No.
What I was saying that I was telling about the BA. So I think now you can understand the difference between the BA and the DA. The BA matlab a business analytics or the business intelligence means a business analytics person focus on the business problem and solution. Like the main role of the business analyst is to understand the need of the business, to identify the problem and the opportunities, to communicate with the problems in the data set, okay, or to define the requirements for the new system or the process. This is the business part, okay. Like gathering and analyzing business equipments, like creating documentation like BRD, DFD. We will explain you everything here, okay. We will start from the very beginning. As you know that we start from the computer definition, yes.
Yes,
And the
sir.
DA part, in the data analytics part, the role of the data analytics is to collect and clean the data and then analyze the data. You will go to find some patterns, some trends, some insights. Okay, that will help in business make data driven decisions. You need to write some SQL queries, है ना? And you need to you need to creating some dashboard and reports in Excel, Power BI. Okay, and you need to perform some statistical analysis. This is the main role of the data analytics person. So here we have the two parts, BA and DA. The DA person, the DA person will define the requirements for the new system or the process, and the data analytics person will clean and analyze the data and make data driven decisions and make dashboard and reports in Excel and Power BI. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Shiva, we have two types of batch here. Okay, we have some regular batch which will start from the Monday, which will end on the Monday to Thursday, right?
Yes, sir.
And weekend batch in Saturday and Sunday.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are you looking for the regular batch or the weekend batch?
Big and batch.
Weekend batch. Okay, so it's okay. Shiva, talk to your counselor about this. Okay,
Okay, sir.
we have done for today, and I'm going to start a new batch from the next weekend. Okay, so you can join this that batch. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, okay, it's okay. Have a nice day. Bye.